Welcome back to my channel Kids World, English poem Our World. The grass is green, the sky is blue, the moon is white, the clouds are too. The sun is yellow, the trees are brown, the leaves are red when falling down. The sunset's orange. What a colorful world we have right here. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.